2009 Dodge Challenger RT V8 Hemi. Still got the stock converters there and there, factories. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then we put some FLOWMASTER Flow FX that you can, if you like to purchase, you can go in the comments, in the link below in the description. And then we did a muffler delete right there and right there, rear muffler delete. And there's the FLOWMASTER FX again. And we reused his tips right there, right there. That's the mufflers and suitcase that was in the middle that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Dodge Challenger. You gotta go beast mode, bro. Show me what it's got when you leave. Much better. FLOWMASTER FX never disappoint. Nobody likes those mufflers. Always cut them off. Much better. 2018 Dodge Charger Hemi V8 manual. Still got the stock converters on it, and then we did a resonator or mid muffler delete right there with 3-inch pipe. Comes with a factory X pipe. It's got the valves on it. Still got the stock mufflers or rear mufflers or whatever you want to call them. There's what we took off right here. And we'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Go ahead. Give it gas. Put it in sport mode. Right there. We'll have the stock mufflers on. Beautiful murdered out. I think we took off the other ones too.
Yeah, we took them both.
Yeah.
All right, man. I appreciate it.
Enjoy it, guys. Thank you. My God. 2016 Dodge Challenger Hemi RT. Still got everything stock. Calic converters. Got a factory X pipe. Got a factory mid muffler or mid resonator. And we did muffler resonator deletes or rear muffler deletes. And put some black staggered tips on it. Right there. Right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Sounds beautiful. Come on, nice. 2013 Dodge Challenger Hemi RT. It's got the stock converters, then a factory X pipe, then it's got two FLOWMASTER 40 series mufflers, and then what we did is did a rear resonator, rear muffler delete right there and right there, and we reused the tips right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There's the FLOWMASTER 40s. There's the X pipe. There's when we deleted. There, right there. Much better. Let you guys hear it on the inside now. So we showed you guys before. Now we're going to show you after on this 2019 Dodge Hemi Challenger. Still got the converters factory. Less than 4,000 miles on it. Factory X pipe. Then we put these DYNOMAX bullets. If you want the link in the description if you want to purchase them. Right there. They're 3-inch to 3-inch. And then we put 3-inch, deleted the rear mufflers or resonators and put 3-inch pipe in their place. There and there. And then we put quad tips out the back. Black quad tips to accent the black wheels and the white color. Came out really beautiful, really nice. That's everything we cut off right there. There's the mid mufflers. There's the rear mufflers or resonators. Everybody calls them different. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do them. Beast mode! That sounds so much better. are coming out. That sounds good. Woo. Let you guys hear on the inside. 2013 Dodge Challenger. HEMI, 5.7 liter V8. Still got the factory converters there and there. Earlier in, and then it's got a factory H pipe. And then we did a muffler delete there and there earlier in the year. And a rear muffler resonator delete right there and right there. And he just brought it back. He cut the bottom valence, and we did something special on the tips. Right there and right there. Something different with 4-inch tips. They're out the side instead of the straight out the back. See if it makes a difference in sound and look. Definitely a different look. Came out really nice. I like it. Right there like that. That's the original tips that came on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's a decibel meter. Tells you how much decibel. That's a sound decibel. It is 116 decibels. I like this different. Oh, I didn't ask him. Let you guys hear on the inside. He said he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see. And it's a 6-speed standard, so it should be fun.